In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoalSeek in Excel. GoalSeek is one of Excel's what-if analysis tools, and it's designed to help you work backward from a desired result. Instead of manually guessing different numbers until your formula gives you the answer you want, GoalSeek calculates the needed input for you automatically. This is especially useful for sales targets, budgeting, pricing, or any situation where one value depends on another through a formula. For this example, let's say you want total sales to become 5,000 pesos by changing only the quantity. This is a perfect use case for GoalSeek because you already know the result you want, and you want Excel to figure out what input needs to change to get there. First, create the formula for total sales by entering equals B2 multiplied by B3, or B2 asterisk B3. This formula links your sales total to the other values in the worksheet, which is important because GoalSeek only works when the target cell contains a formula. Once the formula is in place, click the cell that contains that formula, which in this case is cell B4. This step matters because GoalSeek needs to know which result cell you want to adjust. Next, go to the Data tab in Excel. In the ribbon, click What If Analysis. This menu contains a few forecasting and scenario tools, and the one we need here is GoalSeek. From the dropdown, select GoalSeek. A small dialog box will appear with 3 fields that tell Excel exactly what you want it to do. In the Set Cell box, enter B4, because that's the formula cell containing total sales. In the To Value box, enter 5,000, since that's the result you want to reach. In the By Changing Cell box, enter B3, because quantity is the only value you want Excel to adjust. Then click OK. Excel will now calculate the required quantity automatically. In this example, it changes the quantity from 10 to 20 so that total sales reaches 5,000 pesos. That's the basic process. The key thing to remember is that the set cell must contain a formula, and the changing cell should be one of the inputs used by that formula. If those references are set correctly, GoalSeek can save you time and remove the guesswork from your calculations. And that's how to use GoalSeek in Excel to quickly find the input value needed to hit a specific target.